Super vivid memory from those early days.
I just started when I was younger, right? Because I was really kika, I was smart, and I love going to auditions, being on screen. I really enjoy it. So, sabi ng mama, okay, I'll support you. So, nagtuloy-tuloy siya. I did fashion shows, commercials, and until when I turned 12, nagpaalam na ako, baka pa rin ako mag-release. And she goes, baka makalimutan yung pag-aaral mo. I said, no, I can do this. Kasi payarin naman ako. Then yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. And I think I am with Star Magic for, let's say, maybe like 15 years. Yeah. So, I've been working my whole life, which I never thought that I was working back then. Kasi 2 years old, what do I know? I thought I was just having fun. It was really fun. And I'm still here.
Yeah, so thank you so much for sharing that. No, as early as 3 years old, you were already working and having fun. So can I invite, before I head on to the second question, I'd like to invite our two co-founders, JC and Nika, to join us here on stage for the Q&A. More people, more fun. Yes. Okay, so ito na, we touched on Sofia Andres being an actress and a model as early as she was 3 years old. Now on to being a role model naman. You've played many roles in your life and you're also a role model, especially to many young people. So what makes a person a good role model? And do you see yourself as a good role model?
Do I see myself as a role model? I think I do. If you actually follow me on social media, I really show off my family and my friends. I would die for them. Well, can I say kill for them? I would because, you know, love really fuels me up. And hindi ako iiyak mawawala yung glow.
Hindi mawawala ang glow. Yun ang magic ng whole glow. Super kahit umiyak ka pa dyan. You will still be glowing.
The love for my family talaga is always again. I think they reflect in some followers. And I think they know that I really fight for what I have and for what I believe in. So I think that's my power.
So just not being anyone else but yourself. Being your authentic self.
Yes.
What you see right now is also what you see on social media, diba? So you're not good role model ka, and that's what makes a person a good role model. Now, you once said this in an interview, while my journey may not resemble a fairy tale, it is filled with love, growth, and a deep sense of purpose. So walang iyakan today, but could you tell us more about how you've grown on your journey and how you define your purpose, Nade?
My purpose in life is actually a family. I wake up in the morning knowing that we're thinking. That's already my purpose. I feel like I could not ask for more.
Can I have a napkin, please? This is nag-escalate itong question na to real quick. Pakita talaga sa atin ni Sofia na kahit emotional na tong interview portion natin. Nakaka-glow pa rin siya. Super glow pa rin si Mami dito sa harap.
Yeah. Along the journey, I realized that we cannot have everything. But now I feel like waking up in the morning feeling that I'm so complete. God is also a mom. So even though hindi tuloy-tuloy my projects and everything, but still I'm given much blessings because I appreciate the blessings that's, going my way. And I think that's the best feeling on earth, being a mom. That's the best feeling for me. And although it's slowing down my career, for me it's the best because I have time for my daughter, I have time with my family, and at the end of the day, family is all you have.
That is such a good mindset. But if you don't mind, I know you're being super humble. I don't think your career is going down. In fact, I think your career is branching out to new directions. Actually, kaya ako nakarelate din. Kasi parang ganun din when you become a mother, di ba? Parang they say na, baka something ends. But no, it's new opportunities for you, different.
I think just too harsh on myself. have to do more. I want to explore more. I'm just really happy that I'm with Voclo. Seriously.
Can I just say, this is also the main reason why we love Sofia so much and why we chose her to be the first celebrity endorser of Voclo. Her realness, no? How raw and unfiltered she is, and how, it's rare to find people who still wear their hearts on their sleeves. Kasi now, especially with cancel culture, people always having an opinion about your life. Not everyone will agree with everything all the time. So it takes a special kind of person to stay true to themselves, lalo na if they're in public. No?
That's super right. And that mindset that you have, you don't compare yourself to other people. Yeah, that's something that we should all emulate. Next question na, pati ako medyo emotions.
Sumaikot na ako para makakalma na ako si Sofia.
You've been on camera for most of your life, so how would you say our definition, like society's definition of beauty, has changed through the years?
Knowing myself, I would say beauty is always on the inside, no matter what. Kasi nag-reflect yan on the outside. So that's why Voclo is perfect, because it's inside, from inside to outside. So,
thank you. Now I know that question was directed to Sofia, but since the two of you are co-founders are here, I'm sure kaya kayo may Luna Aura.
May pa-society.
May pa-society.
Pa-society.
Yes. Learning tayo, we culture here. Okay, so may I direct the question also to JC and Nika?
I think, our audience today are people from the media, so they themselves are the eyes of our culture. And from the early days of Sofia's career until now, there's really been a shift, I think, of how beauty is defined. Gone are the days beauty is a template. There's one kind of beautiful. This is the kind of beautiful everyone aspires to be that. No? And you might say, wow, that's rich coming from a glutathione brand. But it's true, no? Na parang these days, people have the freedom to express themselves on how they want to be perceived, and it's wonderful. Parang that's also why, kung mapapansin niyo, parang hindi namin pinili yung pinakamaputing artista, diba? Obviously.
True.
Yeah.
Ganda na natin.
Because for us, it didn't matter. It didn't matter. We wanted somebody who would truly exhibit beauty from the inside out. And I think we've made the right choice.
Nika, you want to add on to say?
I want to add lang kasi when we launched Sofia as our first ever celebrity endorser, maraming comments sa